2021 Chevy Silverado Turbo. Believe it or not, guys, it's a custom, they call it. 4-cylinder turbo custom. Got a nice lift kit on it. Has less than 10 miles on it, guys. He did a lift kit and then brought it to us. We played around with many different exhaust systems on it. We put them on there and started it. There's the stock converter there, 3-inch pipe all the way back. And we added 3-inch pipe and did a muffler delete there. Then kept his resonator. He didn't want too loud. After we put a bunch of different mufflers, it was still too quiet. So we said, we'll just do a straight pipe and then put a Rhino black chrome tip. There'll be a link in the description for it right there. See, that tip looks really clean. It cleaned it up really nicely. There's the resonator, so it basically has a muffler delete right there. It's a full-size truck, guys. 4-cylinder, which is crazy. There's a huge muffler they put on it. And make sure you guys take out this flap, because if you don't, it will rattle. This is it after. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Decibels, 99.3, almost 100 sound decibels. That's perfect. Go ahead and back it out. You want it louder? We can take the resonator off, but it'll be loud. Look at that. That's awesome. Chevy Silverado Custom 4-cylinder turbo. Yeah, this one, the black one. Then we see how you see a pipe now, no more muffler. There's a muffler delete there. That sounds so good. Let you guys hear on the inside. So we did round one. It was just a muffler delete, and he said it's too quiet, so we put it back in. Chevy Silverado 2021. There's a cat up there, 4-cylinder turbo, 3-inch pipe all the way. We did a muffler delete earlier, about 5 minutes ago, and now we did a resonator delete right there, and still stuck with the same tip. There's the resonator we cut off right there, straight through, but it takes a lot of the sound away. There's that nice tip we put on it right there. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. So now it's got a muffler delete and a resonator delete with 4-inch tip. So now it's straight pipe, basically. Cat back. Now you can hear it spool. Better. Yeah, from now on I won't recommend no mufflers on it, just straight pipe on the 4-cylinders. Wow, that whistle sounds awesome. Let you guys hear it on the inside. That spooling up sounds like a diesel. That whistle's crazy.